YesHipolito's channel. Today we're doing an awesome takeover. We're going to be taking her out of the equation.
What? This is my channel. Okay. No, we're not taking me out. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can tell, I have two special guests here. We've adopted my brother, low-key, and
Metal Mike is here always to guide you guys and make sure everything runs smoothly.
Yeah, and try to kick me off my channel.
So basically I live here now, and you guys are going to see a lot more of Adrian.
Yeah, so you guys know Adrian is my little brother. He's not my son. He's not Michael's son. He's my brother. Because I know a lot of people were like, I think that's his son or his brother.
I think we have a nice head shape that is kind of similar. You know, we both have swag, whatever.
It's actually kind of crazy because I feel like he could look like what our son would look like. If you look at it, look.
Probably.
Right?
Probably.
What do you guys think? Do you guys kind of agree?
I don't know.
Today we are actually going to be doing the rim paste. So many of you guys have been asking for it. We did this in our carne asada vlog, and a lot of you guys wanted to know how we make it. So before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. And if you guys are ready, then let's get into it. Alright guys, first of all, excuse my little boy fingers. I haven't gotten my nails done, quarantine, yada yada yada. You guys know the deal. Okay, so we're gonna have 1/4 cup of sugar. And this right here is good for like 3 people, but you can also put it in the fridge and store it. So here are the options that I have tried for my chili powder. You can go in with tajin, or you can also go in with this pez powder. And what's cool about this is that you can make it to your own liking. So whatever floats your boat, whichever one is better for you, you can go ahead and go in with. So personally, I've been loving this powder, but like I said, you can go in with tajin also. And we're gonna be going in with about 1/8, which is this much. All right, so this is where we're gonna go in with our flavors. We have chamoy, sandia, and mango. And these are just the little Lucases. You can get this at any Mexican market, or you can also get these like at Vallarta or something. But this is where we're gonna choose our flavors, and it's really fun to experiment with these because this is how we're gonna choose if we want like sandia, mango, yada, yada, yada. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the Lucas.
How much are you putting?
I'm filling it up. Well, I guess not really, but you can.
1/4 to the top.
So this is a mix of the chili and the Lucas, and we're just gonna go ahead and add that in there. All right, and now we're gonna go in with our chamoy, and we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons. Another little trick, you guys, is if you guys get tired of your regular chamoy, you can go in with these little Lucas Gusanos, because these are actually flavored. So I think this is mango, chamoy, and then you can switch it up. So this is like an endless combination of rim paste flavors.
At your liking.
At your liking.
Like you already know, like me. Adding one time.
Okay, so then we are mixing.
Whip it.
I thought Adrian was gonna say whip it real good.
That's a beautiful consistency.
It really is, but honestly, I might want to add a little bit more
Tajin.
more tajin to make it a little bit thicker even. Yeah, don't get fooled by the chamoy because a little bit goes a really, really long way.
It really does.
I love the background commentary.
Yeah.
This is really,
that's what we're here for.
It's really a vibe. Really, very supportive vibe here.
We're cheering you on over here. Almost there.
All right, so we're gonna go in with another tablespoon of tajin. Oh. So this is kind of the consistency that we want, but obviously the consistency can be whatever you want it to be. But if you don't want it to slip too much off of the rim, then you want it to be a little bit on the thicker side. All right, guys, so when you go in with your jar or with your cup, you just wanna kind of go in like that to really get it all over the rim. There we go.
It's spilling everywhere.
Yeah.
Michael's gonna have a heart attack.
Yeah, I almost died already.
Ya se cagó.
Sorry, Michael.
Okay. Okay, show them your drink, Adrian. Show them what
So we're on? I didn't even know we're on. Where's the thing? Where's everything?
Well, buy one. I don't have one. Those are expensive.
I'm pro already, bro. I can't be working.
Show them. Okay, you guys, so now, hella dysfunctional.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, all right, guys. So now we're gonna show you how we like to prepare them. I mean, obviously, you can hook it up with like a michelada. You could put it on top of literally anything, fruit, whatever you want. Hummus, if you're not of age or if you just don't drink. Alcohol, because you guys know Michael loves to drink.
Your local lager, whatever.
Show them your drink.
Alright, guys. So, you guys want to see the masterpiece or what? So, we put a bunch of sandia. This is a
Sandia
Gatorade and then like the paste all over it. We made this on my TikTok. Let's get it.
Oh, yeah, he has a TikTok. Guys, find him on his TikTok. He knows how to cook better than I do. And that's why he came to live with me, because he's gonna show me how to cook. So
To that. Good.
he's gonna show me how to make tortillas.
So you just kind of grab the top of the can, right?
Can you
Good.
open that for me?
Give me a second.
And just like, bam, dude. So what I do, yeah, I'll just take a little.
It's
For
honestly
me?
so good.
For me, let's get a little cheers going on. Where's your drink?
Wait.
Oh.
You guys,
Merced.
also you can go in with your paleta and just kind of like do one of these. Hella bomb.
Me hizo agua en la boca.
Mm.
We're kind of everywhere right now, right? Sorry,
Damn.
guys. Mango Gatorade.
Mango Gatorade, sandia, watermelon sandia. Not just watermelon, but watermelon sandia, like officially. Sorry if we keep looking at the view. Mmm.
We were supposed to cheers, man.
Oh,
Come on, guys.
damn, that looks
To our
hella good.
summers. Because I don't think we will ever go back to anything but these pastes for the rest of our lives.
I've been drinking a lot of micheladas because of the paste. Not because the micheladas are good.
I've been
honestly,
drinking a
but
lot more beer because of it too. And I'm not sure if that's a good thing or
That's
bad.
not that good of a thing. Should we do a boomerang?
Mm,
Should we do a boom, you guys?
I dig it. So what are we doing now?
You want some?
No.
We're doing a taste test.
Are we doing a mess test too?
Yeah. What do you guys think?
I love it. I like mine. I'm down for just mine. Cheers.
Alright guys, so
Is that pretty much it?
that's pretty much it. I think this might be like the shortest video ever. But that's how easy it is. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was short, easy, and sweet. But that just means that it's going to be easy for you to make. So don't forget to subscribe because we have a lot more videos coming up. A lot of them featuring my Adrian over here. Also, don't forget to follow him on TikTok where he does like cooking videos. I know. He knows how to cook more than I do, and he does them in Spanish and in English. Also, we do have a Spanish video coming up very soon because you guys asked for it. Leave me suggestions in the comments on what exactly you guys want us to do. Some of you guys said you guys want us to cook. Some of you guys said that you guys want us to, what else did they want us to do?
To drink.
Oh my God. So let us know in the comments down below what you guys might.
I'm not a drunk.
Adrian can't drink, but he can like be here.
Si
to,
me
like,
puedo
I'm not
tomar
a-
unas chelas.
no, you can't tomarte nada. Stop. So anyways, we love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. And we will talk to you guys next time.